Okay, so we're going to answer this past paper question. The first question is probably the most important question that you could ever revise for. Without knowing this table, you're going to really struggle with the rest of this paper. So it's really important that you revise it, but there are already a few clues in the question for us. So the particle is the proton. It tells you its charge already. One way to remember the charge: proton is positive proton. The relative mass is going to be the same as the neutron because it's in the nucleus with the neutron. So put 1 there. Now the neutron, the charge of a neutron, the clue again is in the name. A neutron is neutral. And what's another synonym for neutral? That's going to be 0. If you were to write neutral, you would still get the mark. Finally, the charge of an electron. Now, the thing to remember about an electron is it orbits the nucleus and it is the opposite in charge to a proton. So when you have to put the charge, or relative charge, it's really important that you don't just leave it as negative or minus. It's really important that you add that 1 in there. Without that 1, you're losing the mark. Finally, the relative mass of an electron. This is one where you can actually have a number of different answers. So the thing to remember about an electron is it's much, much lighter in mass than a proton. How much lighter? Well, in this table, you could either put negligible. Negligible means virtually 0, but not 0. Or you could, just tidy that up, or you could remember the fraction of the mass of a proton or a neutron. Now, if you want to be really accurate, that's 1 over 1,837. Okay, or if you want to round, you could perhaps just put 1 over 2,000.